What's going on, guys? It's CJ here at America's Motorsports. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now today we're going to be going over a UFORCE 1000XL that we've done a cab enclosure on, and want to kind of show off some of those parts that's coming from CFMOTO itself. First thing we did when we started working on this cab enclosure is we added a little bit more ride height. Factory, you have 27-inch tires. We went ahead and put aftermarket 30-inch tires on here, so it really kind of raises up the ride height itself of the entire vehicle without any trimming or any cutting. These will go on at factory ride height, no problem. Now, part of the actual cab enclosure itself is the ArmorTech front windshield. Now, this is a little bit different than your normal typical flip. It actually flips down like some of your old school Jeeps. Really cool. Here in a little bit in the video, I'm going to kind of show you how to drop this down and secure this to the front so you can enjoy some of that nice breeze when you're riding. So the next part of this build is the CFMOTO factory door kit that they've come up with. So these are actually really nice full doors, one piece. They have nice automotive factory glass that's in here itself. So it's very easy to look through. Visibility is very clear. You're not going to worry about hazing or scratching when you're going through the woods and stuff like that. Very easy to clean. These also have power windows, okay? So in all four corners, it is a push of a button and drop that window down. All right, let's jump into the cab. I'm going to kind of show you some of the features itself on this ArmorTech windshield that we have and how it flips down, as well as these factory CFMOTO doors that have those power windows. So as you hop in here, nice close, nice fitment on the door itself. Turn that key over. As easy as that. Push a button, no window cranking, nothing else. Just hit those buttons. They come down at a really nice speed itself. Everything, the build quality itself really feels high quality from CFMOTO itself. Now with this ArmorTech windshield, you have two little holders here up top. And because it is a flip down, we're gonna reach over here and pop these open. So whenever we go to the front of the vehicle, we're gonna be able to pull that down, and I'll show you kind of how to strap that down so we can start riding. As well as something that's pretty cool about this windshield is it has a little bit of the, I guess, bed liner, you would say, around the frame itself. So it feels really heavy duty, high quality itself. And at the bottom for the driver and the passenger, there's actually vents that they've put in. So maybe you want a little bit of air, but you don't want just absolutely everything from dropping that windshield down. You can just easily reach up, open and close those vents and add just a little bit of air for a little bit of a fresh breeze without getting out and putting the windshield completely down. Now we kind of go over stuff like that. Let's go to the front of it. I'm going to show you how to lock it down so we're ready to ride. All right, now that we went over some of the stuff that's in the cab, I'm going to show you how to work this ArmorTech windshield. So we've already released the actual handles inside the cab itself. So it's going to be free to be able to flip this down. We're going to start lowering this down. Now we have rubber grommets on here that's going to protect the panel and the paint itself, as well as kind of relieve some of the vibration you're going to get from riding on the trails so it's not bouncing around on you. So once we have this to the lower position, we're going to flip those handles down, and we're going to have straps here on the front off the front bumper. Pull that through. Same with the other side, and we are locked in, ready to go, ready to hit those trails. All right, coming from this windshield, we're going to talk about the last component here, and that's going to be the back rear glass. Now this is the CFMOTO factory rear glass that we have. There's no extra drilling or mounting pieces that you have to do. It's all going to mount to those factory holes that are on this unit itself for a nice, flush, and professional finish. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If there's a build that you'd like to see us do, leave it in the comments section. And remember to like and subscribe to see content like this in the future. We'll catch you in the next one.